Hello, and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, very slow day again, even though it's actually moving in the right direction. Yeah, Bitcoin already reached an intraday high of 37,755, pretty much, plus minus a few dollars, depending on the exchange you're looking at. But it's going in the right direction. Bitcoin, a few days ago, we talked about, so obviously for anybody who's new here, the yellow wave count is our primary scenario. Pushes higher here in 5 waves, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. We're likely in wave 3. We talk about an ABC structure because the entire move seems to be an ending diagonal. It's a wave 5, in a larger degree wave 1. That wave 5 is unfolding as a diagonal structure, which means these sub-waves are 3-wave moves. And therefore also, well, we can justify why this move here is so choppy. So, you know, I've got 3 waves in wave A. I've got 3 waves in wave B, and I'm watching for a potential 5-wave move in wave C. We today touched this support area for a B wave. I put it onto the chart afterwards just to indicate, okay, look, this was a wick down. It's likely a B wave if we touch the area again. As long as we are holding 35,930, the trend is up for me. And I'm watching here for the C wave in wave 3. However, we need to get a sustained break above the 37,515 level, the A wave high. We haven't done that yet. Yes, we briefly broke above it, but we really need a sustained break. Because that's when I measure it from a bearish point of view. That is the 78.6 Fib level here pretty much, yeah. Plus minus a few dollars, you know, but it seems like we get a sustained break above it. So that shifts probabilities more towards that bullish scenario, because obviously it's not a done deal. It's not a very clear scenario here, because we're dealing with corrective structures, as you can see. But nevertheless, I'm leaning towards higher prices. I have been, and this support area did hold, okay? But it's not like, okay, it's not necessarily the time to be aggressive, in my opinion. Now, the next barrier, the next hurdle to overcome for the Bitcoin bulls is here the 38K level, yeah? The Thursday, the 9th of November high, as well as the 16th of November high. So every Thursday, let's see, maybe on Thursday we break above it. I don't know. Important to understand that if this is a C wave, there are a few levels we are watching. Typically, if this is indeed a C wave, we are watching for the 100% extension level of the A wave as a potential target. That is 38,860, possibly even a little higher, but that would be sort of the minimum expectation. Now, looking at the micro structure or nano structure, you could say, best I can tell you is that this here might have been the 1-2 setup of wave C. So this is obviously, you know, these movements are not very, let me just think, where do we put that? So this was our A, yeah, pullback. So from here, well, you shouldn't really see this as very predictive, right? This is just more of a roadmap. So possibly here, a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will take it off the chart as well, because it's not like, you know, they change too often, these microstructures. You know, it is what it is. They don't really offer you much predictive qualities. But anyway, you know, you can say in the very short term, this is a possibility, and as long as we're holding that last swing low here at 36,890, I mean, this microstructure might play out. But it doesn't make much sense to focus that much on the microstructures. You need additional indicators and so on, and an additional edge if you want to trade based on that, in my opinion. But hey, that is a possibility, and we are now watching for this C wave to play out. Have to change my view if we break below the orange support area, and the key support level here is 35,930. The invalidation point for further upside is, in this scenario, is 35,500. That's the beginning of this A wave. Support and invalidation points are different. The support area, when broken, gives you a very, very strong warning, whereas the invalidation point, of course, yeah, it invalidates this structure. Okay. There's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links in the video description, and you can find additional content there every single day. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.